Where y'all live?
We live in New Jersey.
53 and 23. Looks good on you both. Thank you.
I look like I'm 16 years old. Don't you guys?
I look like I'm 18.
You guys are very cute together. For real.
Thank you.
You look what? 18? You're 18 years old.
Hi, Julia.
John is stubborn.
Mr. Clean looking clean. Watch when I lose this belly. I'm going to be like, oh, give me a couple months. I've been saying that for 5 years now. Naja looks 20, I look 80.
I love older men. 80-year-old, you just gotta beat him up, give him food and tell him go to bed.
Change his diaper.
Smash or pass? What does it?
Smash or pass?
Lenny? What's the last name? I don't even know.
Lenny Kravitz. Lenny
Search
Kravitz
him
is
up if
a
you don't
musician.
know him. I don't know him. John knows who the person is.
I'll smash.
Mr. Clean is looking glass. You look good. Thank you, AJ. It is 9:32. Why did you marry him? He's not Muslim. Zainab, love does not matter about my religion. I know it matters a lot in our Islamic community, but I'm in love. You look like you're 20. Thank you, AJ. Why did you marry him? He is not Muslim. It's against the Muslim law. Okay. I did not obey the law. Must be very bad Muslim. You look like Must Clean, Mr. Clean. Where did you all live and what time is it there? We live in New Jersey and it is 9:32. You love money? No. You see me? I have 10 different skincare routines. What do you think I used to buy? G-Light. I use money to buy it, so you better click on the money sign and give me money, okay? I use money on my daily basis. If it's up to me, I'll be at the Burlington 24 hours a day.
Yes.
John said yes. Why is it people's business? I don't know. If she's married to non-Muslim. Muslim people get so offended. A lot. He loves money. This guy loves money too. Just to throw money
He
at
loves money, she loves money. We all get together.
Why you marry him? He's not a Zainab. It's my business, okay?
Haram. Somebody.
Haram.
Haram. Oh.
Love is love. You guys look 20 and 80 at the same time.
Oh, we're in Alabama. It's 8:33. Oh, so you're an hour.
Hour difference.
We're an hour front of you. It's 9:33.
You have to go artistically. Thank you so much for staying. You've been here for a while, so I love you so much, okay? I love you. You guys are so cute together. Don't let people tell you who you should marry. That does not bother me. My family is a very strong Islamic people. If I'm able to break those boundaries, don't worry. I can break anybody's boundaries.
Yep, I got a hug and a kiss from Grandma and Grandpa. So.
What's the religion? A Thailand question. Haha.
What?
No. Islamic people are very, very strict with their religion. I went 5 years without talking to my family, so.
Little John's probably sleeping with his milk on the... Somebody has to see John. He's probably sleeping with his milk tilted on the couch. New York City here.
Oh.
I was just working in New York City.
John was working in New York City for like
We were
3
doing
weeks or 4
construction on the
weeks.
building.
You have family in Alabama and you're in Texas. Very good. Can you please see your child?
Mm-hmm.
My children.
Children.
Zaina, do you still want to see my mixed non-Muslim kids? I thought you were unhappy about me marrying John.
Mm-hmm.
Back. If I would have married